what role does StreetText play in your business for you specifically?
So StreetText has played a pretty big role in my business. I've only been doing it for a very short period of time, as you know, but so far the response has been overwhelming. I've had, to only be 3 months into it and have over 1,000 people submit their address to me saying, I want to know the value of my property is insane. It's absolutely insane. I've been on multiple listing appointments. I have a couple of listings coming up through StreetText already. So it's already paid for itself and then some. And that's not even touching on to all the residual that can come from it.
Right.
All the referrals and recommendations over, the next 6 months to a year to 2 years, where I think StreetText will really start to pay off in a really high leverage way.